everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me Engila Raila and today I am going to Chitlang. म चाहिँ चितलाङ जानलाई रेडी भएको तर पानी पर्न पो थाल्यो। अब रेनसुट लाएर जानुपर्ने भयो। पानी त एकदम ठुलो पर्न थाल्यो। Let the journey towards Chitlang begin. As we started, nature welcomed us with open arms. Here, something magical happened. We entered a place wrapped in fog, and right here it felt like heaven touched the earth. My inner child woke up with joy. म एकैछिन त्यहाँ नबसिकन अगाडि बढ्नै सकिनँ, so I had to stop. I stood still, breathed deeply, and simply watched. The view was so calm, so pure. The peace settled in my heart like never before. We slowly continued into the fog, and every step felt like we were walking inside a dream. This moment, it was one of the best feelings I have ever had. Every view, every corner was peaceful and poetic. पानी र हुस्सुमा ट्राभल गरेको भएर होला हल्का चिसो चिसो टाइपको फिल भइरहेको थियो. So we made a stop at Sisneri to drink milk tea and eat पोलेको मकै. They tasted like home. After that cozy break, we continued. The road was winding but beautiful, surrounded by hills, forest and fresh air. of the water and the stillness of the moment, everything felt just right. Once we passed Kulekhani, the road changed and off-road began. हामीलाई चाहिँ एकदमै धेरै भोक लागिसकेको थियो, सो भेडा फार्म छिर्नुभन्दा अगाडि पहिला केही खाऊँ भनेर चाहिँ हामी चितलाङ एक्सप्लोर गर्नतर्फ लाग्यौँ। बाटो चाहिँ एकदमै खत्तम थियो यहाँ चितलाङमा पुगेपछि। अब वी होप बाटो चाहिँ छिटै बनोस् भनेर। बाटो नराम्रो भए पनि ठाउँ चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो थियो। द भ्यू वाज सो ब्युटिफुल, सो सिरिन। हामी चाहिँ खानासाना खाएर अब चाहिँ भेडा फार्मतिर जाउँ भनेर त्यहाँबाट हिँड्यौँ। Then we continued towards Bheda Farm. At the gate, a board said no entry without permission, but we didn't see any other way, so we stepped inside to ask for directions. After going few meters ahead, we saw a kind woman and we asked her the way in, and she said this isn't the entrance. To enter Bheda Farm, we need to take the route from outside. So we turned back, searched the area and finally found the way in. And what we saw there, oh my god, it was breathtaking. The Bheda Farm was wide, peaceful and absolutely beautiful. The weather was calm, the breeze was soft, the trees, the hills, all standing quietly like they were meditating. यो तलको बाटो चाहिँ कुलेखानी ड्यामबाट आउने बाटो भयो अनि यो माथि चाहिँ थाङकोट हुँदै आउनेवाला बाटो भयो। त्यहाँ माथि चाहिँ गेट छ, तर हामी त्यहाँबाट छिर्न नपाउने रहेछौँ किनकि त्यहाँ चाहिँ गोट डेभलपमेन्ट फार्म अफिस रहेछ। त्यही भएर हामी चाहिँ यो बाहिर हुँदै माथि पुगेपछि चाहिँ भित्र छिर्यौँ। Then suddenly it started raining. It felt like my dream had come true. I was living a scene I had always imagined. I felt like a fairy in the rain. All I wanted to do was run, spin, and breathe. It was peaceful, so peaceful I can't even explain. Inside, my soul was healing. This was more than a destination. This was a feeling. Eventually, time reminded us we had to return. So we began our journey back to Kathmandu via Markhu, Sisneri, Pharping, Dakshinkali, and Balkhu. This journey wasn't just a travel story, it was a mirror of life. It started normally, then came the rain, then the fog, then the bumps and off-roads, then rain, and then the peace, the sunshine. Just like life, it was unpredictable, beautiful, challenging, but definitely worth it. I found myself in nature, and what about you? I hope you find yourself too. Love yourself and trust the journey. Everything will be okay. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. If this video touched your heart, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, stay kind, stay curious and keep exploring. Bye bye and see you in the next vlog.